What are factors? What is a factor?
Factors are numbers that can be multiplied to make another number.
Correct. So the way I like to think about a factor is I say, can I divide this number by another number? If the answer is yes, then I've got a factor. So for example, what are some of the factors of 24? Yep, 2 and 12. Yep, no?
6 and 4.
6 and 4, yep.
8 and 3.
8 and 3, good. Any more?
24 and 1.
24 and 1, very, very good. So they are all the factors, unless I've missed one.
2 and 10.
2 and 10, that's the factor of a different number we've got up on the board over here.
Yeah.
Good. So, what we're going to do is we're going to introduce, so we're all relatively aware of what factors are, correct? So how would we define that? If I was writing a definition down right now, what would I define that as? Anthony?
Numbers that can be multiplied to make a different number. Or another number.
I guess so, yep. Anyone have anything different? So Oscar, factor trees. I've done one over here for 20. What have I done in my first line?
5 times 4.
Good. What have I done on the line below that?
5 times 2 times 2.
Are they the same thing?
Yes.
So what have I done in the first step?
You've broken it down into other numbers.
Yep, into two factors, correct? 5 and 4. What have I done in the second step?
You've broken 5 and 4 into even more factors.
Even more factors, good. Can these numbers be broken down anymore?
No.
Good. So I'm trying to get the numbers broken down to the smallest possible value. Happy with that? Could I have done that tree any other way? I reckon I can.
Yes.
How could I have done it, Anthony?
Well, you could have had 6
For 20. We'll start with 20.
10 times 2.
I could have gone 10 times 2. And then what will be my next step, Jack?
Your next step will be to split 10.
How?
Either do, well, actually, the only thing you can do is 2 times 5.
I'm going to write 5 times 2 times 2. Why would I do it that way? Why would I put the 2's next to each other? What do you reckon my next step might be? Anthony? What would be the step you think after that? Maybe think about where we've been today, earlier today. What have we been doing? What's the stuff we've been doing on the right-hand side of the board?
You're right.
Yeah, my right, your left, sorry. Good point. Indices, okay, and converting expanded to index form, haven't we? What's that look like? Well, let's just look at the 2 times 2. Could I write that any other way? Not as I want it in a different form. Does that look like a different form? Can we write that in a different form? What's 2 times 2 the same as? It is actually the same as 2 plus 2, but not for this example. Yeah, but I've broken that up already. Is that expanded form?
Yes.
How would I convert that to index form? Will?
2 and then 2.
Yep, so 5 times 2 to the index 2. Happy with that? What about over here? How would I write that? 5 times index 2. Happy with that? I want you to have a go. It's going to be a little bit tricky. Have a go at 24, 48 and 50 to start with. I'm going to throw a couple more up as well.